We left the main area of the Arondizuogu Masquerade Festival to go back to where we had parked the car, thinking that the night was over. But we met people who were actually just starting to go to see the parade and realized that this might not be the end. Especially when Ezenwa suggested we should sit by the last restaurant on the road and have a drink before going home. The kids seized the opportunity to order some dinner. But even before we could get our food on the table, there was already a monk coming out to entertain us. This Ikeji truly brings the masquerades close to the people. And this time, Chiji was allowed to give the masquerade some money himself. And after this, some other entertainment groups passed by our place. And more monks kept coming. So I guess it's fair to say that the nights are a little longer during the Ikeji in Arondizuogu.